Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Xbox controller instant fix step by step clearly. To connect your Xbox controller, first ensure your controller is powered on. Press the Xbox button located in the center of the controller. Next, locate the pairing button on the controller. The pairing button is typically found on the top edge near the USB port. Now, turn on your Xbox console. If using a PC, go to your device settings. On your console, press and hold the pairing button until the Xbox button starts flashing. For PC, if using Bluetooth, ensure your computer's Bluetooth is turned on. On the console, press and hold the pairing button on the console. This button is usually located on the front or the side, depending on your Xbox model. Wait for the Xbox button on your controller to stop flashing. It should remain solid, indicating a successful connection. On your PC, search for Bluetooth and other devices in your settings. Choose Add Bluetooth or other device and then select Bluetooth. Locate your Xbox controller in the list and click on it. The controller will then connect, allowing you to use it for gaming. If you encounter any issues, restart your console or PC and try the process again. Make sure your controller has fresh batteries or is fully charged. Now your Xbox controller is ready for gaming. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.